Editing music videos like a pro has never been faster, because today we're excited to announce 3 major updates to the AutoEdit Premiere Pro plugin with the release of V1.5. Previously, AutoEdit could automatically edit music videos to the beat of the music with just the click of one button, trimming the first few hours of setting up your timeline down to just seconds. But still, you were just left with a rough cut of a raw music video that had no visual effects or transitions. Introducing the first new update, AI Visual Effects. AI VFX can automatically import transitions and overlays onto your timeline in just seconds. To access AI VFX, navigate to the menu tab, click on the VFX icon, and you should now see a new AI tab. Click on it and you'll see a new list of several VFX types that you can add to your video. For this example, let's go with camera shakes, CRT overlays, and maybe some film birds would also look nice. Then adjust the slider intensity bar of how much VFX you want to add. You can either apply VFX to 100% of your cuts or even just 1%. Click Proceed to edit, and now AutoEdit will take a few seconds to load, and boom. AI will choose where to add visual effects to make your video look good, saving you the time of having to tediously duplicate adjustment layers or overlays if you wanted to simply apply one effect to your entire video. This AI VFX tab is loaded with multiple new presets and overlays, of some of which presets were custom made for this plugin that you won't find anywhere else. We're also constantly updating this feature, so let us know which new VFX you'd like us to add. Now, of course, keep in mind, these are all just suggestions. We're not saying that you have to edit the music video like this, but this will help you get a good start of your footing for your visual effects. That way, once this visual effects timeline is done, you can just go ahead and pick and choose what you like, what you don't like, but save yourself the time of having to import those effects, choosing where to place them on the cuts, editing to the cut, and doing all the tedious work that you normally take like a couple hours. So this is not to replace creativity, but to enhance it and speed it up. Use this as a first rough draft. Still use your human creative input to make the music video you and add that human touch to it. AI tools should help us edit faster, but they shouldn't replace human creativity. That part's still up to you. Here's a sample preview of a music video edit made entirely with AutoEdit and AI VFX.
In your eyes, but a demon all inside me. Traumatized, for all them nights I was lonely. PTSD in my mind. In the studio, trying to vent my soul.
Moving on to the next update of V1.5, which is the new and improved title card applier. You can now apply customized cinematic title cards to your music videos with just one click. To use the title card applier, go to the AutoEdit title card applier icon on the far right side of the menu. Then you can click through the variety of templates. The title card feature has cinematic title cards, animated short form captions, and even some brand new Apple style liquid glass animations. Click apply and it'll automatically apply the title cards to your timeline. You can go to the properties panel and change the text, color, font, or size to whatever you want. Making title cards has never been easier. Moving on to the final update of V1.5. In past versions, we're aware that there are a couple bugs, so we fixed that. If you're a user who the plugin wasn't loading for, or it simply just wasn't opening for you, don't worry, we figured them all out and here's how to fix them. For Mac users, we built a new DMG installation process to make it easier than ever to install AutoEdit without getting stuck on the loading wheel of death. Sometimes if you encounter this error while trying to load the plugin, there's also an easy fix. Simply go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and scroll all the way down till you see this exact file name. Click Allow Anyway under the Security tab. These are simply because Apple has security measures to protect your computer from harmful bugs. But sometimes it can also be too strict and prevent useful protocols like the AutoEdit beat detector feature from working. And if you're still having trouble opening AutoEdit, we've included an update of a new backup ZXP file that can be opened via the free ZXP installer app on AE Scripts, link below. Simply open ZXP installer and drag and drop the ZXP file there, click install, restart your Premiere Pro, and then you should be able to open the plugin. We've linked to another ZXP installation process guide right here. And if you're still encountering issues with this plugin, please feel free to reach out to us here at this email. We really want to help. We want to make sure that we give something that's useful and valuable to you guys. So please shoot us an email. That's where we can respond the fastest and make sure we can get the plugin working for you. As a disclaimer, this plugin works best for music videos, particularly music videos with multiple performance shots of the entire song. If you have performance takes that aren't of the full song, we don't recommend uploading them to the AutoEdit sequence because it might mess up your edit with blank gaps. AutoEdit is still very much a project in development. We're constantly taking in your requests and feedback to improve the plugin and send out updates to make it it better. So please feel free to reach out to us and send us updates on email, or you can join our Discord server channel where we're sending even more constant updates and taking your real feedback from you guys and implementing it as fast as we can to get these fixes made or adjustments changed. Now, the next major exciting update of V2 will be released on September 31st. It will include the highly requested B-roll trimmer feature, which will trim and remove all shaky parts of your video so that you don't have to go through and manually trim your B-roll. If you haven't yet downloaded the plugin, it's linked below, and for a limited time only, you can use this code right here to get a free preset pack of your choice with any purchase download of the AutoEdit plugin. Make sure to join our Discord channel once again, linked below, to get more future updates on the new plugin releases. And with that, happy editing, and I'll see y'all soon.